Hello friends, today we're going to do a reading outside. It's a beautiful day and the sun's on my face and I feel the warmth and I wanted to come out here and do the reading today to get better lighting, but also mainly because I want to know if Mother Nature, Mother Earth wants to connect, wants to talk. If you know, this is something that I have no control over. The spirits come through me and they will talk whatever they want to talk, but it has a lot to do with the audience, how they know that the audience is ready for the level of awareness. Okay, I'm going to put this on because when I am complete dark, it's when they come more stronger. So, much better. Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Everybody, hello, 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 hello. Everybody who's here is here to see me. This is me, this is me, this is me, this is me, this is me. We have so many connections. Our personalities back here have to be a reflection of what's out there, because we don't need personalities as a spirit, as a soul, because we're just love, and we can explain that later more. That's to not be misunderstood. But for today, we want to give you information, to give you a bit of idea of what it is that you're missing. You live in the planet that exists in this universe, and this planet has the ability to kill itself, whether it's through hurricanes or through people. Earth has that. Earth has the ability to be controlled by others. No matter how much love, it owns him. He's a part of. Sometimes it has to sacrifice itself in the eyes of others to explain what's happening. This is Earth. Earth is in the same degree of level as humanity. And we know that humanity is not doing good. Those two are a mirror of each other. Mother Earth, planet Earth, and the spirit, human spirit having a human experience. Those two, by order of the universe, must connect and stay in the same level. So that they can teach the lesson that needs to be taught the best possible way. It's a way of saying that. Mother Earth is crying. It's sad. It's sad, not only because her planet's dying, but because humans too. So Mother Earth, here we are. We are a reflection of you. Do for yourself what you will do for others. Love the world. Do not give up and say that it's dying. Know that one spirit praying is enough to uplift humanity. So consider yourself that one spirit that will make the difference. One is all it takes. One sincere, one from the heart, from the purest. Mother Earth needs you, and you need Mother Earth. Give it some love, and you will see love come back to you. Know that you are a part of this world together. It is your world. It is your ground. Make it good for everybody. Let them know that you matter. Plant a tree and watch it grow. It grows, and with every growth, the stronger it becomes. These are souls also having a human experience. For those that you understand, know you make a difference no matter what else is happening in the world. Give yourself the gift of loving. Love others, and you're loving yourself.